Hello, my name is Anna, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a professional and aesthetic poster on the site Canva. So the first thing you definitely want to make sure to do is to check you're on the verified Canva website. It's canva.com. And when you get to that website, you are going to be prompted to create an account, but that's completely free to do. There is an option to create a premium account, which is through a paywall, but it's completely unnecessary to create a poster like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the search bar and I'm going to search for a general idea of the poster I plan on doing. I was planning on creating a hiring poster, so I'm going to type that in. And here, I'm going to get a bunch of inspiration. I definitely like this one. I like both of these with the megaphone. I like the simplicity of this one, definitely this one. And I'm just going to search for some inspiration. And then what I'm going to do is go back to create a blank page and have complete customability over my own poster. So after I get some inspiration from this page, I can go here. And this is the editor in Canva. This is going to allow us to make our own poster from scratch. So the first thing I always like to do is click on the page and change the background color. My plan for this one is to make it a yellow and red theme, really two bright colors that will make the message pop. So I'm going to click on the yellow, and I do want that a little darker, so what I can do is go up here, click this, and then slide on the color wheel to a darker shade of yellow. I think I like it right there. So then what I plan on doing is finding a nice shape or header for this section to put my message on. So I'm going to go to Elements, and this has a bunch of stickers and shapes that you can use on your poster. There's some GIFs, some moving stickers, some photos, some videos, and some graphs and charts, but for right now, we're just going to use the shapes. So what I'm going to do, I previously searched up an oval shape I liked. You can search whatever shape you like. I really liked this one, so I'm going to click on that, and it's going to show up on my page. To make sure that it stands out, I'm going to click it, and then click the color, and change it to a red. And I definitely want to deepen that red up as well. And as I said before, I'm going to make this a header on my page, so I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger, and drag it out so it fits my page. Just like that. Perfect. Okay. So I really like the look of that. I think putting a main text right here will look really great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click text and add a heading, and that'll give us a big heading. And I'm going to type in all caps, "We are hiring." And you can play around with how this fits on your page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create an indent there, highlight this, and you can go to advanced settings up top and just adjust your line spacing. I'm going to make it a little smaller. You can move that up here. I'm going to tilt it a bit and zoom out. You can also edit the font. And I really like, I think this is a great font, really bold. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is go back to Elements and search a megaphone. And then just place that right there. I think that fits well with the theme of my poster. And then I'm going to take some time to put the information that I want on my poster in this area. Okay, so as you can see, I added some of the body text that has this hypothetical team's hiring information, and I did this by clicking on Add a Subheading. I added all of this, and then I added the website at the bottom of the poster with the smallest text, the body text. So yeah, this is how you make a hiring poster that's both aesthetically pleasing and informational, gets right to the point, and makes sure that your audience gets all the information they need.